Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to TikTok website using QR code from your TikTok app. So the first thing we will do is open the web browser on our PC or laptop and simply navigate to tiktok.com. This will open TikTok's official website, and let's click on the login option at the left side of the screen. Or you can click on the login button at the top right. It really doesn't matter. Once you click on the login button, it's going to show us this window where they will prompt us to log in with our email or phone number, with Facebook, with Google and all that other stuff. But we want to generate a QR code from our TikTok app on the phone, and we will log in by using that method. So select the first option, which is this use QR code. The next step that we have to do is to get our phone and open the TikTok application. The process is absolutely the same if you are on iPhone as well as on Android. So just follow the steps. Make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account on the phone, and then go over to your profile. You will see the edit profile and share profile option. And we want to click on share profile right here. That's going to generate a QR code for our TikTok account. And other people can scan this if they want to open our profile, but we don't need this. We need to scan the QR code on our computer in order to log in. So you will see this little scan icon at the top right of the screen, and that's what we will click on. When you open the scanner, simply scan the QR code that's on your computer and wait a second or two. That's going to ask us to authorize the QR code to log in, so just tap on confirm, and that's pretty much it. You will now be logged into your TikTok account on your computer. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.